Hi guys, 8th grade, what grade students? Welcome back again. With ICT practical lessons IGCSE, we're still in chapter 20, data analysis using Excel software. Today we are going to concentrate on the topics that could count in the ICT assessment. So let's start, guys. I miss you all. Let's go. Let's do it. Okay. Let's go directly to Excel software. Just open Excel software here. And guys, you can follow me by opening your book, page 340. Directly to the task 20E, task 20E. You will find here that there's names and jobs. This is task 20E. Before we start, guys, let's review our information. As we said before, this is called cell. Each one of those is cells. So D, this is A1. This is A2, this is A3. Each one of those is called cells. Cells. This is region. So this region is D. Just we'll use the pen. This is, I'm not good in drawing actually. This is the region. This region is called D2. This is D2. End with this. End with this cell. This is G6. So this is G6. So this region is called D2 G6. Okay, guys? This is the region. Okay, let's delete this and get back again. And guys, I forget to tell you that the files that used in the Excel is RTF, rich file text, RTF, rich text file, RTF, not a document, not a MP3, not a IGCSE, it's only RTF or CSV, comma, slash the CSV. So this is the file are used in the Excel. CSV files, comma separated, CSV file, comma separated. Okay, let's get back again to the question. So as we see here, you can see the rate of pay, names: David Watson, Graham Brown, John Reeves, Brian Surgeon, and Dan Bray. And this is the hours. This is the rate of each hours. So we need here to calculate the total of these hours. How to do that? Just put the cursor here on this cell and go directly to the function and click on the function portion here. Let's just make this one. Okay, guys, this one. So we just put the cursor here on this cell, calculate the total, click here, and the total is the sum. So we go to choose the function here, the sum. This is the sum, and press OK. So the sum of what? We need to select the region. So we need to put the cursor here. It will start from here till to Dan Bray, and just print OK. So we have here the sum. Okay, what about the average? Just put the cursor here and go again to this one function and choose average. Look for average, AVG, average. Okay, click OK and choose the region you want. Guys, take care. Don't choose the total, just the hours, and press OK. Make sure that you are put the make sure that you are put the cursor on the cells you want. The maximum, we need here to find the maximum hours of all the employees. So we'll put the cursor here and go back again to the function key, the press, and looking for max. If you don't find, oh, we can find here. Just type the name of max and go. This is the max, okay? And also choose the region you want. I need these numbers and press OK. The minimum, go again to the function key, looking for minimum, MIN, press OK. Choose the region you want using the mouse, drag and drop, starting from here to there, from David Watson to Dan Bray, and just click OK. So we have here the total, guys. We have here the total, average, maximum hours, and minimum hours of the employees. Okay, guys. So we know now that we have the function of sum, the function of average, the function of maximum, the function of minimum. Okay, guys? Okay. Go directly, guys, to page 342. We have also function called integer. What do you mean by integer? Integer, in mathematics, an integer is the word used to describe a whole number with no decimal or fractions. In Excel, the integer or int letters function takes the whole number part of the number and ignores all the digits after the decimal point. Okay, guys, ignore all the digits after the decimal point. So move the cursor into the cell C10. We are going to put the cursor here. Okay, guys, here, and enter the formula we want. Let's make delete and just erase this to be more clear. Okay, guys, let's go back again. We just put the cursor into the cell C10, as you see, C10, and go to the formula. Always, guys, the beginning of any formula start with the equal symbol, So we put, let's erase this before, guys. Okay. We go here beside the function key and put the equal sign. Then we put integer int for what? For B10. For B10. And close the brackets. Enter. As you see here, this is the answer. The integer of the number 6.8 is 16. The integer of the number 16.8 is 16. Guys, there is another way to do that. It's very easy. If you want to do that, it's just delete this. We want the integer of the average. We want the integer value or number of the average 16.8. We just go and click the function key directly, okay, and choose integer or int. Just type int here. This is the integer. Press OK and just put the number you want to convert it to the integer number. Press OK. So this is another way. I think it's more easy. Okay, guys, let's go to another function. It is called round. R-O-U-N-D. What is the round? Move the cursor into the cell D10. Let's delete this one. I just answered before. And enter the formula round B10, 0. So we go here and put the equal symbol and just type round, open the brackets, okay, B10 comma 0, close the brackets, enter. So the round is function which takes the content of cell B12 and rounds the number to 0 decimal places. If the first digit after the decimal point is 5 or more, the number in the cell D12 will be increased by 1. For example, in cell B12, the value of 16.8, so the content of D10 is 17 as we see here. As it is rounded the value to the nearest whole number, the spreadsheet should look like this, as you see here. Okay, guys. So we know now a number of functions: sum, average, maximum, mini, integer, int, and round. Okay, guys. Let's go to exercise 2. Exercise 2. It is in page 344. It's containing a number of employee names and the hours, the number of hours finished. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 employees. Okay, we have here 9 employees. What do we need now? We need to implement the two functions, is count and count A. Let's start with the function count, C-O-U-N-T. The function count, how it is work. For this task, you will need to use the function that count different values. It is possible to count the number of the numeric values in the list using the count function. So, the formula is count the region from A2 to A19. A2, this is A2, guys. This is A2. And this is A19. This is the region that starting from here to here. This is the region from A2 to, this is from A2 to here. Let's just, this is from here. This one A2, and this is A19. This is A19, guys. Okay? Okay, guys. So, this will look at the range A2 to A19. Notice that you have not counted cells A1, which contains the title. We do not need to count the title, that project 142. Nor cell A20, which will may use for something else later. And count all the cells with the numbers in them. It will not count any blank spaces, guys, and should give the value of 7. How to do that? Okay, guys. Again, we just go to the function. We want the answer here. We want to put the answer in A21. In A21. We put the cursor here in the cell A21 and go and press on the function key and just type count, or you can find it here in the list, count, okay, and press OK, and just choose the region you want. It started from A2 to A19 and press OK. So you will find the answer will be 7. The answer will be 7, I see here. This is the answer. So the count A, so the count will calculating the numbers of workers who have not finished. What about the count A? What about the function count A? Let's perform the same operation again. Put the cursor here below the title of number of workers on the project. It should be 9. How to do that? Just again press on the function key and choose count A. If we don't use it or search on the list, count A. Okay, this is count A. Press OK and choose the region you want, starting from A2 till to A19, and press OK. No, I think it's wrong. Again, we put the cursor here and go press count A. This is count A. Okay, this is count A. Function works similar way to the count. Rather than continuing just a number of numeric value, this function counts the numbers of the numeric. It will not count any blank cells. So count A from A2, this is A2 to A19. Press OK. So I think it's a wrong number. Let's type it here using our hand. Okay guys, so we have count, sorry, we should start with equal sign, count A, open the brackets, A2, this is A2, A19, A2, A19, minus, count, open the brackets, A2, A19, and the answer will be 9. The answer will be this. We'll look at the range of A2 to A19 and count the cells with text or number in them. Then subtract the number of cells with a number and to leave only the cells with the text in them. Okay guys, this is very easy guys. So we learn now the function of sum, the function of average. Remember that guys, the function of sum, average, maximum, minimum, int or integer, rounding, and the function of count and count A. Let's go finally guys to the function of count F. Count F, how to do that? Please open your book on page 345. This is 345 and 346. As you see here, you will find project, the title of a project 153. It has a names, employee names, and the job titles and the years of experience. Okay guys, place the cursor in the cell D2. This is D, this is D1, this is D2. Okay, and enter the label of category. I just write category. I just draw the category. Okay, place the cursor in the cell D3. This is the D3, and enter the formula F. Okay, starting the formula, putting the symbol equal, F, C3, where is the C3? Here is the C3, this is C3. If C3 greater than or equal 10, number of years of course, then print very experienced, okay, close the brackets, comma. If not, or if it is less than 10, the other condition, so print not experienced and close the brackets here. Enter. Oh, could have a mistake here. If C3 is greater than or equal 10, then very experienced. Okay, not experienced. Okay, okay, I just put the dot by mistake. Okay, so take care guys, when you just write the formula, take care what are you typing. If any character of any symbol comes with mistake, it will not be performed. Okay, so this one of employee Laila Apoli, programmer with 3 years of experience, is not experienced because it is less than 10 years. How to do this for the rest of the employees? Just let me show you. Just hold the cells from here, from this side, okay, again, and drag and drop the mouse. Again, drag and drop the mouse till the last one. Okay, as you see here, it's performed the operation for all the employees. Just do it for one employee and it will automatically perform to the rest of the employees. Just hold the angle of the cells and drag and drop the right one in the bottom, hold and drag and drop to the final one or to the last employees in the list. Okay guys, so the reason that C3 greater than or equal 10 is used rather than C3 greater than 9, which in many circumstances would be more efficient formula, is because one of the employees has 0.2 years, 2 months I think, experience, as the data does not only contain all numbers. Okay guys, let's do another one. So this is the first if and what have to do. The other one is called nested formula or nested if. It has 2 answers. How to do that? Let's get back again to the same one. Let's get back again to the same one and perform this one. Just delete this. Delete. Okay guys, again put the cursor here at D3 and go to perform the nested if. What is the nested if? It is like this. If, open the brackets, C3 greater than or equal 10, comma, very experienced, very comma, another if. This is why it's called nested if, open another brackets, C3 greater than or equal 5, comma, then experience, just not very experience, close, comma, if not, then not experience, not close. Take care guys, we are going to close 2 brackets. This is the internal one, this is the outside one. Enter. The same we done last time, just hold the bottom, the right angle here, and drag and drop the mouse at the last one of the employee list. As you see here, number of years 3, not experienced, 2, not experienced, 12, very experienced, 5, experienced. So it's classified the employees by 3 categories, The first one, if the employee has 10 or more number of years, he is very experienced. If he has a number of experience between 5 and less than 10, from 5 to 9, he is experienced. If he has less than 5 years, so he is not experienced. This is the way that we use the nested if. This is the way we use the nested if. So to brief our lesson today, guys, we have a number of functions implemented today. Let's go back again. We have the total or the sum function. We have the average function, maximum function, minimum function, integer without decimal rounding. This is the file. How to get to this function? As we said, we just push on the function keys and choose the region we want. Also, we have here the count function and count a function, and we have the if and nested if. So this is the 5 functions we have today, guys. Concentrate on the next assessment, guys, on the type of Excel, how to perform the arithmetic operation. Is just like adding, subtraction, multiplication, and divided by. And be sure to how to choose the region by highlighting the region you want, and how to perform, guys. Again, I want to tell you that the power of the number is just pressing the keys of shift and number 6. So before we leave, guys, if I have the number of 2 here, this is the number of 2. The power of 2 will be here equal, this is G8, this is G8, as you see, this is G8. Okay, this is number 2 is in G8. So here equal G8, this is G8, this is the sign of 2. The answer is 4. Again, this is G7, the number of 3, and go here. So equal G7, the power of 2, by shift and number 6, the power of 2. The answer will be 9. So don't forget that, guys. I miss you all, guys, again. Finally, guys, I hope to see you all very soon. Take care of yourself, and goodbye.